Welcome to the step-by-step guide on creating and sending digital credentials with Sertifier. Let's walk through the process together. Start by navigating to the left menu and clicking Send Certificates. Next, click Create Design to begin designing your credential. You can easily switch between the certificate and badge designer, depending on your preference. You have the option to upload your own design by clicking the Upload Design button, or choose from a variety of templates available in our library. Once you've chosen or uploaded your design, you can customize it by adding text, importing images, or even adding shapes to make it uniquely yours. Next, head over to the Attributes section. Here, you can use the system attributes or create a custom attribute using the Create New Attribute button. Any custom attributes you create will be saved for future use. In the Images tab, you can upload additional images to add to your design. The Layers tab lets you manage your design layers, allowing you to duplicate, delete, bring them forward, or send them backwards. Want to add a QR code? Use the QR code tab to generate and customize one that will direct recipients to their credential page. Once you're satisfied with your design, don't forget to rename it and click Save and Continue. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to create your campaign, try our AI-generated credentials feature. Simply enter a detailed prompt, providing information about your campaign, the achievement being recognized, the intended audience, and the content of the credential. Our AI will generate the credential details for you. You can review and edit the generated details, include attributes, or click the Regenerate icon for a new output. If you'd like to provide more context, you can also add optional fields such as earning criteria, expiry date, and supporting documents. Earning criteria allows you to define the requirements for earning the credential. Expiry date ensures the credential remains valid for a set period. Supporting documents let you upload additional materials, such as portfolios or research papers, to enhance the credential's credibility. In the Campaign Options step, the campaign details will be filled in automatically. You can still customize the campaign title for internal use. If set to private, only your recipients will be able to access the credential from their profiles. You can customize the social sharing text to include any information or hashtags of your choice. This text will appear whenever your credentials are being shared. Next, you'll set up your email template. You can use the default email or take advantage of our AI-generated email template. You can easily switch between the different email notifications, including delivery, expiry, and update email notifications. You can also customize the email body, including fonts, links, images, and more. Attributes can also be added to the email, including recipient names or credentials. You can even include a scannable QR code for your credential. Personalize your email by uploading your logo, adjusting the footer text, changing the button color, and adding your social media links. Complete the email template by entering a subject line and sender name. Once done, hit Save and Continue. Now, let's upload your recipients. Click on Add Recipients, and you can either import a file or select from your recipients or lists. Use the Import from Recipients button to select from your existing recipients. To upload a file, click Upload Recipients. Once you've uploaded your file, match the columns to the correct attributes. When they match, they'll turn green. You can choose to update the information for both previously sent and future credentials, just for future credentials, or not at all. Once you're satisfied, click Save, and your recipients will be added to your campaign. You can also use the Import from Lists options to choose from your existing lists. Before you send, preview your credential page and email template to make sure everything looks great. You can even preview how it will appear for different recipients. When you're ready, you can either schedule your credential to be sent later or send it out immediately. Send a test credential to yourself or a team member to ensure it's all working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent your digital credentials with Sertifier. Thank you for watching and happy credentialing.